Hello guys and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to generate creative Instagram bios ideas for entrepreneurs using ChatGPT. Your bio is the first impression people get, so making it compelling is essential. Let's get started. Crafting the perfect Instagram bio can be challenging, especially when you want it to reflect your brand and attract the right audience. This is where ChatGPT comes in because ChatGPT simplifies the process by generating unique and catchy bio ideas tailored for your business and personality. Start by opening ChatGPT and logging into your account. In the chat box, type a prompt like "Generate 10 Instagram bio ideas for entrepreneurs in the digital marketing space, focusing on innovation and growth." Be specific about your niche and key values. ChatGPT will provide a variety of bio suggestions, from professional and inspirational to fun and engaging. You can then customize these to match your voice and highlight what makes your business special. Using ChatGPT to create Instagram bios saves time and helps you stand out in this competitive platform, making it easy to connect with potential customers and partners. And that's that, guys. A simple yet very powerful tool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.